Hi guys, in today's video I will be reviewing McAfee's body scrub. So I heard a lot about this product, so I thought that I will definitely check it out and see what I think about it. So yeah, so in this video I will be giving a review on that. So if you want to watch that, please stay tuned. Hi my loves, how are you all doing? So hi, welcome to my channel, and those of you who are watching my face for the first time, I am Tanvi and I make videos about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. And please subscribe to my channel. I know it's very early, but I'm sure if you are here till now, that you will like my video and it will mean a lot to me. So yeah guys, as I said in the beginning of the video, that in today's video I will be reviewing a McAfee body scrub. I have seen so many people raving about this scrub that I thought I definitely need to have it and will definitely need to try it, so that I can share my views with you guys, like what do I think about it. So yeah, without blabbering anymore, let's jump right into the video. So in this video I'm wearing this baggy top. It's extremely loose and comfortable. It's so hot in Bangalore, I feel very hot, so I thought that I will wear this top, and I love the color of this top, and it's very comfortable. So please guys, let me know what do you think about this top. I love it. I got it from Delhi, I think. Yeah, I absolutely love it. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let me show you the thing which I will be reviewing. Tan, sorry, I know. This is the McAfee's body scrub. It says over here, naked and raw coffee body scrub. Coffee scrub. What's there not to love? Because I think this has coconut oil as well, and so many ingredients are there: coffee, sorbitol, glucose, cocos, so many things are there: coconut oil, sodium lauryl, gluten. I'm butchering all the names, so I will stop right here. So yeah, it's paraben free, it's cruelty free, it's not tested on animals, it's SLS free. So yeah, it's 100% natural Ayurvedic thing. So yeah, it's definitely wonderful, and it came with this tiny scoop kind of spoon kind of thing. Yeah, I don't know why they added this, because I have used this scrub few times, but for the first time when I used it and I took it out like this, so a lot of it fell down. So I don't use this thing because it's completely useless for me. But I don't know about others, maybe others find it useful, but it's not useful for me. It's total wastage. I can skip altogether with that one. So yeah, this is a tiny bottle. So I will begin this by showing its tiny bottle. It's 100 rupees, and the price of this one is 450 rupees, and I got it on Amazon for around 425 rupees. So yeah, you will get a lot of reels on Nykaa and other platforms are there which sell these kind of products. So you can definitely check it out, where you are getting the less amount, less price. From there you guys can order. And for this much amount, 450 rupees, I think it's very good, it's very affordable, because you are getting a lot of stuff in 450 rupees. And for this you have to use very tiny amount, not that much, so that will do. So I think it's very affordable and it's absolutely gorgeous. The bottle is very cute. I like the things, I fall for the things which are very cute and pretty in looking. So it's a unisex body scrub, so anyone can use it, like a boy or a girl, anyone can use it. It's not necessary gender specific. And the main ingredient of this thing is coffee and coconut oil. As you can see, it's a coffee based scrub. So yeah, so coconut oil is, I think it's we all know the benefits of coconut oil, and I am planning to, because my many videos includes coconut oil, so I am thinking that I will make a video where I will tell the different benefits of coconut oil. and yes, you guys can definitely check it out and let me know if like should I make a video about that or it's a useless topic. So yeah, coffee exfoliates your skin very beautifully, like with fine granules, and coconut oil like nourishes your skin. We all know that it is a very like good oil for nourishing the skin, and caffeine tones the skin a lot, like so both of these ingredients together in one scrub will work magic for your skin. I believe everyone should try this scrub once because it's that wonderful. I'm very happy with the purchase. Definitely check out this scrub, it's definitely worth it. It has so many benefits, like it polishes your skin. I feel like many people go to parlors and they spend a hell lot of money on polishing their bodies. So I think if you are taking this tiny bottle and working on your own, then it will give a very fine, smooth and polished feel to your body, and I feel you guys will definitely save a lot of money because this tiny thing is 450 rupees and you can use it a lot number of times. So it has extremely fine granules and particles which exfoliates your skin beautifully. So I will open the bottle and show you guys what I'm talking about. So I have used a tiny bit over here and will show you, like so smooth guys. And many times what happens when you use a body scrub, after using the scrub your skin becomes very hard, so it strips off from all the oils which is there in your body. So I feel this doesn't do that. It works wonderfully for that, because after using this scrub I feel that my body has become extremely smooth and wonderful. It becomes like my skin doesn't become dry. Another benefit of this one is it improves your blood flow, because when you are using the scrub and you are massaging your body little bit, even 2 minutes if you are massaging, that improves your blood circulation and it improves your collagen level as well. It softens your skin like anything. Like my one disappointment for this product, like I don't feel the fragrance of this one. Like I know, like whenever you for this one I have heard a lot that as soon as you open the cap, you are hit with a beautiful coffee smell. Like it smells so wonderful, so rich, so beautiful, and I am like, why I am not getting that fragrance? Because I am a sucker for a good fragrance and that is not happening for me. So like when I open it, it's extremely normal, no fragrance is coming. Like when I go close and smell it, then a coffee smell is coming. Don't get me wrong, that smell is not coming, but that crazy fragrance is not there. So yes, I was like super excited about this product. So like my one disappointment was that the fragrance was not good. Other than that, everything was perfectly fine with this scrub. It is such a beautiful scrub, like I cannot explain in words. So I will tell you though how to use this scrub. You have to apply the scrub on the wet body. Once your body is wet, you take tiny amounts and apply it on your body, like on your hand, on your shoulders, and you start massaging in the circular motion. Don't go like this, touch. So don't go like this, go in a circular motion, massage your body wonderfully, like that will help you increasing the blood flow. And the wonderful thing, the best thing I found about this scrub is that it removes tan. So you use the scrub on the places, if you don't want to use it for the full body, then you can use it for the places where you have extremely dry skin, extremely you have dark patches, like for some people it's elbows, underarms, or your ankles, your knees, like wherever you feel you have dark skin, you can use this product for that area also. So once you have scrubbed your skin, then you can wash it with lukewarm water. Don't apply soap after using this, and apply lots of lotion or body butter so that your pores are closed and they are not open, so that dirt will not go inside, and it will give a very fine glow to your skin. You're like, I'm using this, like can you see the glow on my hand? today I used this in the shower, so I thought that I will like show it to you guys. Like it gives a very fine glow and it works wonder for the skin. So yes, definitely try it out. You can do it once a month or once a week, and if you want that you can do twice also, but I don't think so you have to do twice, because once a week also it will work wonderfully. I absolutely love it, so I will like suggest you guys to definitely check it out once. Like it's a wonderful product, and if you guys are looking for a body scrub, don't go anywhere, just try it out. Like my only disappointment was with with the fragrance. I am thinking that once I'm in shower I will take a big coffee cup, and like my problem with the fragrance will be solved. I'm sorry if I'm being crazy. Oh yeah, I absolutely love this scrub. It's a lifesaver for me, and I believe so for many people. So yeah, definitely check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Like you guys are lovely souls. You take time out from your such busy schedules to watch my video. That means a lot to me. I cannot explain. So I hope you like this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and leave a comment. It will mean a lot that I will understand like what you like the most about my video. And if you have already tried this scrub, just let me know that I want to know that if my subscribers are already using this, or if you guys will try it out once. Thing I wanted to add, like many people come to me on Instagram and they say that अच्छा आप ये बेच रहे हो क्या, अच्छा आप like what are you selling, are you selling this stuff and how much do you make from it? So guys, I wanted to clear it out that I am not selling anything. I'm just making content for you guys, and if I am liking something, I want my thoughts to be conveyed to you. So by any means that I'm not selling anything, please stop coming to me and asking like are you selling that. So yeah, let's watch the video. So follow me on Instagram if you have not done that already. Like my handler is tanvi.agarwal.562, and subscribe to my channel if you guys have not done that already. It will mean a lot to me. That one subscribe button is down below here, that red button is there, and uske saath ek bell icon bhi hai. Please click that, so whenever I'm posting a video you guys will get a notification. Otherwise sometimes that happens ke main apni koi video डालूं और शायद आप लोगों तक पहुंचे ना, तो I don't want that. So yeah, so please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon, it will mean a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, take care.